Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Whether you're a home chef with a passion for perfect crusts, a backyard entertainer, or simply someone who believes pizza is a universal love language, the pizza oven is about to become your culinary companion. In this episode, we'll be exploring the features, unleashing the heat, and unveiling the game-changing pizza perfection that makes these ovens a must-have for every pizza enthusiast. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of pizza oven on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1.
Setting up Ooni Koda 16 is extremely easy. You'll be ready to cook amazing pizza right out of the box. Let's get started. The first thing you'll see is your essentials guide, which is full of hints, tips, and delicious recipes for Ooni Koda 16. You'll also find the manual and safety instructions. Carefully remove all of the packaging from your Ooni Koda 16. Most of the packaging from the box can be recycled. To set up Ooni Koda 16, all you need to do is unfold the legs, insert the stone baking board into the oven, and whenever you want to start cooking, connect it up to a gas tank. Remember that Ooni Koda 16 is certified for outdoor use only and should be set up with at least a 3 feet or 1 meter clearance around the oven. When it comes to choosing the right surface for setting up your Ooni Koda 16, you can use any sturdy surface made from wood, stone, marble, or stainless steel. Before you get connected to your propane tank, make sure the control dial is in the off position. Here's what connecting to a propane tank will look like where you are. Before you ignite, be sure to completely open up the gas flow on the propane tank. Ooni Koda 16 is also compatible with natural gas using the Ooni Natural Gas Conversion Kit. Ooni Koda 16 does have a powerful flame, so during lighting, be careful around the oven's front opening as some heat may escape. To fire up, simply stand to the side of the oven and push the heat control dial inwards and turn it counterclockwise slowly for 3 seconds until you hear the click and see the flames light up. Before you release the heat control dial, keep it pushed in for another 5 seconds, which will ensure that the flame stays alight. Ooni Koda 16 has an L-shaped burner that lights up a powerful waterfall effect flame. Use the simple heat control dial to adjust the oven temperature. To extinguish, just switch off the gas supply using the heat control dial. Turn it clockwise until the dial is at 12 o'clock. Then disconnect the gas tank and wait at least 1.5 hours before moving the oven to be sure it's properly cooled down. It really is that simple. Ooni Koda 16 heats up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius, so you can start cooking in 20 minutes. Get ready to cook awesome 16-inch pizza and so much more.
Number 2.
Bake the best pizza you've ever made with the Mimiuo Tisserie and classic gas ovens. Safe, portable, and easy to use. Whether you're chilling in the backyard or out in the woods, it's time for pizza. With Mimiuo's portable and sleek design, just fold the legs out, connect to a propane tank, and you're good to go. The ovens are made of premium food-grade stainless steel, meant to last decades. The double-wall ceiling promises heat retention, and your pizza will cook at just the right temperature, while the ceramic stone plate creates a delicious crust. Each oven has its own built-in gas ignition that lights the flame with a push and a turn, and the oven temperature can be easily adjusted using the heat control dial. The Mimiuo Classic Gas Oven reaches 930 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius in just 20 minutes, ready for its pie. The best part? Your pizza cooks in only 60 seconds. The Tisserie series features an innovative electric-powered auto-rotate stone plate. Simply turn on the switch, and you will get every pizza pops out cooked evenly without any hassle. Now everyone can enjoy the delicious pizza, crispy outside and fluffy inside. No matter you are cooking for your family or your friends, be the showstopper with the Mimiuo pizza ovens.
Number 3. Introducing the InFood Outdoor Propane Pizza Oven, a revolution in outdoor pizza baking with its distinctive shark-inspired design. Say goodbye to long waiting times and enjoy the ultimate time-saving solution for pizza enthusiasts. The InFood gas pizza oven rapidly preheats to an impressive 932 degrees Fahrenheit, 500 degrees Celsius, in just 15 minutes. Imagine savoring fresh, crispy, and authentic stone-baked pizza in a mere 60 seconds, allowing you more time to relax and relish delicious pizza with family and friends in your backyard. Designed for utmost convenience, this propane pizza oven boasts a compact size of 24 by 18 by 14 inches. Its durable yet lightweight construction features detachable legs and non-slip rubber feet, ensuring stability during use. Weighing only 34 pounds, it's perfect for both backyard gatherings and on-the-go adventures. Prioritizing safety, the InFood pizza oven features instant gas ignition and a flameout protection device to prevent gas leakage. Crafted with premium stainless steel and encased in a die-cast aluminum shell, the entire oven is treated with a high temperature-resistant powder coating, ensuring durability and reliability. Introducing the aidpiza outdoor pizza oven, a wood pellet-powered marvel designed to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. This versatile pizza oven is ideal for family gatherings and parties, capable of cooking a 12-inch pizza that's perfect for sharing. The aidpiza pizza oven harnesses the power of hardwood pellet fuel to create a balanced and reliable burn. This unique approach ensures an optimal burn-smoke ratio, imparting a distinctive smoky wood flavor to your food that gas grills simply can't replicate. Equipped with a built-in thermometer, this pizza oven eliminates the need for additional infrared thermometers. The oven temperature is precisely expressed, hitting 662 F, 350 C, signaling the perfect moment to start cooking pizza or any other culinary delights. Designed with mobility in mind, the aidpiza pizza oven boasts a portable folding leg design. This feature allows you to enjoy your handmade and delicious pizza anywhere, transforming any location into a culinary haven. This outdoor pizza oven is not limited to just pizzas. Unleash your culinary creativity by preparing a variety of dishes, from succulent steaks, lamb chops, and chicken wings to perfectly grilled vegetables.
Number 5.
Introducing the CCCDF Outdoor Pizza Oven, a powerhouse that takes outdoor cooking to new heights with its ability to reach soaring temperatures of up to 940 degrees Fahrenheit in record time, outpacing most conventional pizza ovens. This high-performance pizza oven is primed and ready to roll in just 15 minutes, promising to deliver deliciously cooked pizza in a mere 60 seconds. Equipped with a rotating plate and designed for the ultimate pizza perfection, this oven ensures an even bake. Simply install the pizza stone on the rotating plate, allowing it to effortlessly rotate during baking to prevent any unwanted burns. Say goodbye to the days of turning your pizza over constantly, no more burnt pizza. User-friendly and convenient, the gas pizza oven is a breeze to operate. The built-in gas ignition system ensures instant flames, making the cooking process seamless. With a generous 16-inch cooking space, this pizza oven accommodates 12/14/16-inch pizzas. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, this durable and lightweight pizza oven comes with folding legs, allowing for quick assembly and storage without the need for tools.